Let's learn how to mew. Today we're diving into a popular topic that's been getting a lot of attention lately, mewing and jaw exercises. Now, you might have heard about it on social media or seen some before and after photos that made you wonder if it really works or not. Well, today we're going to break this down. So, what exactly is mewing? Mewing is a technique where you focus on proper tongue posture to reshape your jaw and improve your facial appearance over time. It was developed by Dr. John Mew, who believes the way we position our tongue plays a huge role in shaping the development of our jaw and even our facial structure. Now, mewing isn't a quick fix. It's about consistently practicing good posture over time, just like any other muscle building exercise. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. Proper mewing also involves some key elements. It's not just about sticking your tongue up against the roof of your mouth. There's more to it. And today I'm going to teach you how to do that properly. First up, let's talk about proper mewing posture. Here's the checklist you need to follow. Tongue placement, lips together, teeth alignment. So the first one, tongue placement. Your entire tongue from the tip to the back should be resting against the roof of your mouth. Let me show you how to do this easily. So I have two ways to do this properly, and both of them needs you to pronounce a word, which are no and sing. So let's start with the first one. When you want to say no, pause at the first letter, which is N, like this. So as you've noticed, the tip of your tongue sticks to the back of your teeth. After this, try to stick the whole tongue up against the roof of your mouth. So first go with the tip and then go with the whole tongue. Now let's go to the second way, which is pronouncing sing, but like this. Sing. You stop at the N letter again, but this time the whole tongue just sticks up against the roof of your mouth automatically. Let's try again. Sing. So the N letter plays a huge role here. Number 2 at our checklist is lips together. Keep your lips gently together and close without clenching your teeth. So it's gonna be something like this. Sing. You can do this all day without anyone noticing that you're doing the mewing exercise. And the last one in our checklist is teeth alignment. Your teeth should be lightly touching or very close to each other, but you shouldn't be forcing them. The idea is to keep your jaw relaxed and aligned. When you do mewing exercise, you're creating natural suction that helps support your jawline, your cheekbones, and your overall facial symmetry. It might feel a little strange at first, but with practice, it becomes more natural. Before I finish, I want to add one more thing. The benefits of mewing exercise. It improves jawline. It helps you to have a better posture, breathing improvements, and the last one, I think everyone knows, facial symmetry. Be consistent with this exercise and try to practice this at least 10 minutes a day. Over time, it's gonna get easier and more natural for you to do this. So this was it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to like and share this with anyone that you think might need this. Also, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.